out. Did she hit the cabinet too?
These are y'all cabinets.
MDOT owns this one, I want to say, but PAL, we're still under maintenance on it. So, I mean, the reason why it's in flash probably gonna have to be them cables.
Yeah,
I can put some caps on it. Welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today, I'm responding to a call that we just got in D'Iberville, Mississippi.
I'm gonna give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
Damn it, dude. I just installed that motherfucker. Fords. How's it going, man? Heard that. I just reinstalled that motherfucker the other week too, or like about a month and a half ago. That pedestal she just knocked out. Did she hit the cabinet too?
These are y'all cabinets.
MDOT owns this one, I want to say, but PAL, we're still under maintenance on it. So, I mean, the reason why it's in flash probably gonna have to be them cables.
Yeah,
I can put some caps on it, and then we'll have to come. Damn, dude, she took the bolts out. We'll make it work to get the pedestal back up. I'm assuming Suzanne's gonna want that on that job, but
The traffic light stops.
lucky though.
You said it's the MDOT cabinet, but what?
MDOT should own it, but PAL Construction, we're under maintenance on all this stuff on the current project that we're on now. And now we have maintenance with D'Iberville, but I don't think D'Iberville owns this section because of the on and off ramps with the interstate.
So you're gonna fix it?
Yeah, I'll get it back up and running pretty easy. Hopefully not much more than equipment it is. And then we'll get back with y'all about the equipment, because y'all will probably have to provide the equipment, or we would, and we'll bill it out on that one project, however it works out. So, not trying to be in your way, brother. Got a little bit of slack in that box.
Right.
They only took out the pedestal, so.
Gotcha, that's why it's in flash more likely?
Yeah, but that means, we just reinstalled that like a few months ago, so.
That's just. Which way is that facing?
She would have been coming, I don't know how she would have managed doing it, but. Well, yeah, it's the same. It's all tucked up back here, the head and everything. These were already knocked down on that Zeta project, and we had to come back and reinstall both, but they're also out two anchor bolts on it.
Is that just that right there?
Yeah, okay, yeah, these lights here, they still work. It works without it. They were already knocked down once before, so we get it out of flash. It's not an urgent thing, but I know for Zeta, they're gonna want it fixed since we still have maintenance on it, or y'all have maintenance and everything on it. Yeah, probably pull. Yeah, I'm gonna pull back the cable, some of the stuff. I'm gonna cut it off.
Disconnected in here?
Not yet. I gotta recall which phase that is. So, 4. Phase 4 comes 4. Should be it. Give me 1 second.
You see the one he pulling? He pulling the line.
Is he pulling from the box?
Yeah. Yeah, we got it.
got right here?
Watch your eyes and shit.
You good, brother? I wish I got some better flush cutters.
You good?
Cops still out there doing traffic control, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're good to be dark.
What's your name? Ray. Yeah, I've been looking for. I finally.
Is that same approach out? I just want to make sure.
For Bayou and Seaman.
Yeah, those are darts.
Good land south of the school and stuff. Okay. It's a good spot.
Those lights back on up there?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Well, that was actually kind of boring, man. I was expecting more.
So what you did, just unplug those?
Yeah, it took out the cables that would be shortening out from that pedestal she hit, and then just rehooked up the ones that are on the mast arm. That way, shouldn't have any kind of conflict or anything with all them cables touching each other. It had like dual indications and just a couple different faults. So we can pretty much, well, I wouldn't tear out the cable all the way to that yet, just cut it down a little short. Yeah, just where it ain't exposed. Yeah, they're all unhooked now, so you can cut everything once. I don't know if they'd want to just do a new foundation or just drill in new anchors. They used to have some communication. It was there whenever last time we messed with it, but nothing on our end. We moved the radio. So. Or maybe a loop. I don't know what they had going on right there. They ain't got it no more.
Well, they've always had cameras here.
Yeah, I do recall that. So.
Like that. So you can still pull it out.
You want to take back the head. If you got room and everything, the head's there and the bottom's blown out, but you'll get all the LEDs out of it at least.
Yeah, where's the pole? You know?
I think they already got it cleaned up. That base, I think, was torn up and maybe on this tow truck.
Yeah, there's pieces of it.
Yeah, the base is going to be gone. That thing's a breakaway.
Yeah, there's pieces of that base in here.
Oh, yeah.
That's the whole thing. But there is pieces in there. I picked them up.
Now that looks like the base right there. I'm pretty sure that's the base too. Piece of it. That's the octagonal. Looks exactly like that there.
Okay, yeah.
They're supposed to break apart so it won't ever stop a vehicle.
They broke apart.
Oh yeah, it did what it's supposed to do, but
That's something that's really hell apart.
she okay? Or whoever?
I'm not sure. I got here, they were leaving in the ambulance, so yeah, I think so.
I gotcha.
It's way down there.
Part of the base is there. Down there?
Yeah, down there. See the.
Oh shit, dude.
That's what this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice that. Yeah, there's the pole. At least you may be able to get that 4-inch pole out and make it look good. The threads might not be too bad. Damn.
It's shit out of this.
I'm surprised she missed the cabinet coming in that way. Speeding through this fucking thing. She had to have been doing 50, 60 almost, yeah.
She never hit brake. Not a fucking single brake mark up there.
Nah.
The only thing that stopped was that wall.
Alright, so here's the car. I'm headed hit this base here. All those is base, that was the base here. Leaving unhooked it. So basically, back to what we're on now. So basically, there's just some extra that come here. So this is
Take these up. That's not gonna throw that in flash.
projects.
This stuff in here? Nah, nothing should. What or what else you talking about?
So you undid both of these?
Yeah, well, those were already undone. Those were extra conductors we didn't have to use. Just these guys were going to that approach as
Just
well.
just that one approach?
Yeah,
So
you can
just
leave.
undid this.
Yeah, undid
You
it.
don't have to reset that in here though?
No, just turn it off with the monitor. So that approach is tied to this mast arm here. So as long as you got the signals up there on this mast arm, you're good because now it's off the pedestal. So, but that cable is two separate cables going, because it had to power the pedestal
That's what I was
separately.
wondering. I said, man, I don't know if you go to that cycle, just lower that flash.
Nah, yeah, it's out. It's back.
You've been working, how long you been doing this?
I've been with the pals now, or was with them. How's it going, brother? So I've been doing it for like 6-7 years almost now. I just left them because the videos and everything are taking off pretty well and it's paying enough, but I'm kind of hourly with them and they just call me for any of the maintenance stuff around here. Especially now they got, MDOT calls them all the time, D'Iberville they got a contract with now, Gulfport, and so on and so on, so. And I love the stuff still, so. Yeah, that's the whole. I mean, look at the wall right there, the barrier wall. She's nailed that motherfucker. She had been going 50 or 60 on that. I mean, that's too fast to come across this damn thing anyways. I don't even know where she was. He or she, I don't know who was driving.
What he did was just took the pole off, took the correct
Yeah.
But yeah, John said that's fine.
Yeah.
Handling it.
Yeah, now I think that they're still under maintenance with Zeta, so.
Yeah, we good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna assume Suzanne may want to provide stuff and get the pals to fix it, the pedestal and everything. And depending on how she'd want to do it, I mean, you can either drill in some new anchors into that foundation and mount the whole pedestal, or it would need a new foundation. So, but probably gonna be up to her.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll talk, but we already, like I said, we already had the Zeta contract that we put this up in the first place. We just had another quantity to get this added to it and get it back up and running. So,
Talk to John, my big boss. Y'all got it, let's all handle it.
Yeah.
what we'll do is come in, we'll anchor some new, cut those flush, put some new anchors, new bolts. And
Yeah, that's what I would recommend. That's the most affordable route.
I'll call her right now, let her know this is all been taken care of. We just got the contract for the outfit. So
Yeah.
Bobby, the public works, hey, well, let's get his so diamond interchange. And he said, well, isn't that MDOT's? Yeah, it is MDOT's. So.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I've never seen that.
Not on this. This thing's not even meant for. Again, this is like a lower speed. Damn near nobody's going over 40 on this thing. So she had been speeding and then nailed that thing.
You going fast off that exit.
Oh, I guess yeah, that is how she would have it. It come straight through. Glad nobody else was in the way, man.
Medical problem, man. That's what that
Yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah, she didn't hit anybody, thankfully, because this is a busy intersection.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna take a couple.
Oh, this one's bad. Yeah, if you put one down, you may as well put both in the flash for the most part.
Let me see, let's try it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take a couple pictures and that's it.
Yes, sir. Hey, for that, if I send in a timesheet, well, what should I put down sending anything to Vicky on
We're gonna
your
make
work?
like an emergency day. But I guess I have a job number already made from D'Iberville. Put it
Okay.
down. And I'll figure that out what that is. That's what I'm saying. I should be in there.
Gotcha.
You hear this?
No, and you'd want the LEDs. I think y'all are a little bit shy on some of the arrows and stuff too. So. Once I learn how to ship one of them things a little bit easier, then I'll give away anytime we get like some broken ones and shit like that too. I tried shipping one before or looked into it, and I was like, dude, I can drive across the damn country for the price you want me to ship this thing. So, and get with Temple or somebody to be like, hey, y'all handle that shit and I'll promote it.
From you and just send it to them.
Yeah.
Did you get video like this?
Yeah, it would be a good one, or it's gonna be a good one. So. I even go in there, I was like, fuck, dude, that one has a UPS system and everything. She just hit an expensive ass cabinet too. But let me get the patterns.
No crosses in.
Yep. mine. I think those are yours.
Yeah.
I almost bet them threads are still good. I can see the base is still locked onto it. Probably reuse the damn pole. Yeah, I made it too. I'm gonna just walk down there and look at it. Damn, she yeeted this thing. This pole was heavy though. And a little bit cut. Yeah, dude, them threads are gonna be good. I'd almost bet she didn't knock it loose. The top mount's probably pretty good too. This fucker's steep. God only knows what she would have went through if that wall didn't stop her. That top bracket looks good too if that castle nut will come off. Well, a person got lucky. That thing's steep as hell. Boy, straight nailed that and went right beside it. Maybe a little scuff mark on the cabinet. No problem, man. It's a fun one.
I came this way because I figured that way would be.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna call you and tell you you're better off doing like a U-turn or something on the interstate, popping back up. But 10-4. I'm gonna go eat something. All right, guys. So from what it was said, at least it looks like somebody had a little medical episode and came off the interstate hauling ass. I tell you what, and nailed that. I mean, she would have went airborne and chances of survival on that one probably a lot lower. Hopefully she's all right. They said she was responsive when getting into the ambulance, so pray she's fine. He or she, I think somebody said she at first, but I'm not too sure. Either way, hope y'all enjoyed that quick little maintenance call. Crazy just how quick it happens, and again, not on the typical month for it, but is what it is. Never surprised when it does happen, I guess. But either way, God bless you all, and I hope you all enjoyed the video, and thank you for coming along and helping me on this little emergency call. God bless y'all, and thanks for watching.